Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. I am so excited to show you this one today. Check out this landscaper, lawn care rig, whatever you want to call it. I call it the moneymaker. Now we have more of these coming. We can always get more, but this puppy sold in about 2 days. But still, I wanted to share with you the excellent quality that we're working with here. This manufacturer is named Devere, and this family-operated company sure puts out a good product. Sitting on an ISUZU with a 172-inch wheelbase, this body has a 16-foot flat surface with a 4-foot dovetail extension. How many mowers can you park on a 128-square-foot flat deck? Real quick, if you like our video and you want to see more, you gotta let me know. Hit that like and subscribe button and tell me down in the comments what you think. Ask me questions. We would love to hear from you. As we slowly move to the rear of the tailgate, you'll see that we have recessed and sealed tail lights. These are not going to get damaged, folks. This is the way you do it. Our tag light even has body armor. And here we have a simple latch that separates the dual folding spring-loaded ramps. And of course, you gotta have a shovel rack. And one of my favorite features is down below deck, you have a gas can box. Here are your included Weedeater racks. Keep in mind, these are reversible, so you can have Weedeaters inboard or outboard. On the bulkhead, you have a full beam storage box for your string, blowers, whatever you can store in there. I really love that the door on this folds up and is spring loaded. So many times these doors fold down, they're hitting your mowers, it makes it harder to get into. This was well thought out. Now for a couple house notes, keep in mind that if you do purchase from us, we take cash payments and we offer very competitive financing. Also, we have nationwide delivery with our licensed and bonded transport companies, and we offer coast-to-coast warranties up to 200,000 miles. Now check out this rear gate latch. It's not going anywhere unless you tell it to. Even more impressive is that the spring tension on these rear ramps is exactly where it's supposed to be. I can raise and lower these with one hand. It's super simple. There's no work to it. And circling around the corner, you'll see that we do have our Igloo cooler rack. You gotta have one of these to make sure the boys stay hydrated. And check out the angle on this rear approach. If you can't get your mower up that, folks, you need a new mower. Both side rails do fold down so you can load flats, fertilizers, whatever you can think of. Now for my favorite part. This dovetail is removable. Let me repeat, this thing will come off. Do you ever need to pull a trailer? Well, with this, you can. Just unhook the back, hook on your trailer, and off you go. While in the fixed position, this dovetail is securely bolted on. However, with just 8 bolts to remove, it's very straightforward to detach. I've seen quicker detachment points, but this one is actually the most secure I've ever had. And here's one last shot of your uppermost dovetail attachment point. Keep in mind that we stock a bunch of ISUZUs. That's about all we do. We can install a landscape bed like this on a brand new ISUZU. We can install them on used ISUZUs. In fact, I believe this truck right here was about a 2016 with 82,000 miles on it. It made the perfect setup. If we can help you, give us a holler. Our phone number is 405-912-5800, or check out our website to see what we have in stock. As always, my name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.